Sign language is one of the minority languages in the world. I'm glad that some TV shows and movies have casts playing deafs to promote sign language. Today, I'll share with you movies and TV shows that have deaf characters and uses sign language. First on my list is a TV show titled The Walking Dead. Although in the earlier seasons, they didn't have a deaf character, but in season 9, they introduced Connie, played by a real deaf actress, Lauren Ridlow. On my list is 3 movies that also has deaf characters. One is the 2021 disaster movie titled 13 Minutes. Another is a horror movie titled A Quiet Place. This movie is a blockbuster movie that has a sequel. Third is my favorite, a 2021 Korean suspense movie titled Midnight. Hope you enjoyed our video today and put in the comments other TV shows and movies that have deaf characters. Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.